Hello students, how are you? So students, today we will learn modules and packages part 2. Okay, so we should start now. So modules and packages. So in the first section we had studied how to create modules, how to import modules in our main program, and then we had also seen how to create packages and how to import packages in our program. So now we start with the part 2. So part 2, modules and packages. So part 2, modules and packages. So in part 2, modules and packages. So today we will learn one special variable that is called underscore underscore name underscore underscore and underscore underscore main. So these are two special variables in a program that are built in the Python. So how to use name and main? So let us we start with. So basically, what we had seen, uh, let us say we want to. So first of all, let us say uh, I just write a code. For example, print hello. Okay, and in print hello. So this is the first line of the code, and second, in this same program, I define a function def a, and inside a function I write print I am function of function of 1.py, because the name of the file is here 1.py. So I have created a file 1.py, and in 1.py, first of all I write a simple print statement hello, and then I have defined a function a, and inside the function I write a simple I write a simple line I am function of 1.py. Okay, now uh, next, you know what I do now? Let us say I want to run this particular 1.py file in a command prompt. So basically, what name variable do if we don't want to import the file 1.py and simply run that particular file in the command prompt directly, then we use name variable. So how? So we have to write there if name name equal to, if name is equal to underscore underscore main underscore underscore, then, so this line simply tells if this is a file which is run directly from the command prompt, then just write print 1.py will run directly without importing. And else what we here write, else one dot py run by importing. So whenever we directly run the file in a command prompt, this one dot py particular file in a command prompt, if we directly run this file, then it will print. It is one dot py will run directly without importing. And if it is imported in any other file, one dot py is importing in any other file, then it will print one dot py will run by importing. Okay, so what happens when we run directly any particular file using this name variable, then what happens, whatever contents which are at the indent 0, first of all they will be printed. Okay, so at indent 0 print hello is there, and only print hello is there. Okay, so it will be printed first. Now let us say I will create a second file. So here what is the error, def a, so this is uh, okay, there is an error. So I have to close this with the double quote. Now def a, why it show errors? Yes, okay, again I have here, I have also closed this with double quote. Okay, and now again uh, there is something which I going miss here, missing here. uh, if else def invalid syntax. Okay, def, so this is a function. Okay, sorry, so this is a function, so function should also be uh, uh, embedded with parentheses. Okay, so this is a simple file 1.py. So this is what, this is 1.py file. And so first of all I have created 1.py file. Here I have write print in zero indent, then I have written a function a, and here I have put print im function of 1.py. Then I have written a statement if name is equal to main. So this statement basically tells, if this is, if 1.py is the file which run directly from the command prompt, then it will run 1.py will run directly without importing. Otherwise, if that particular file will be imported from any other file, then it will print 1.py will run by importing. Okay, so now let us say I have created second file 2.py. So this is a 2.py. So so what I am doing here, so first of all I just import 1.py in this file. So 1.py file is that particular file, and I am going to import this particular file in 2.py. So first line is import 1, then I have written print hello I am 2.py as, so this is a 2.py, therefore I have written a print, this is hello I am 2.py. Now what I have done there, I call one dot function. So this is a function which is basically written inside the one dot py file. So that's why I have called, I have written and called this function using one dot function. So what function? So basically this function is written here in one dot py. So where this is function? Oh, sorry. So this function is basically not written here. So here the function is a. So okay, I will now rename the function as a. So one dot a. I have here called one dot a. So now what happens? Here I have also written the same code. If name is equal to main, this means if 2.py will run directly from the command, then it will print 2.py will run directly. Otherwise, it will print it is run by importing.